his mom, and she told me that he's sleeping right now, so I'm taking advantage, and I went to Walmart. I bought an air horn so we could prank him with this. Let's go.
What the hell, Diana?
Surprise!
What do you mean surprise, dude? You got my ear.
I came to visit you so we could hang out.
You're annoying, dude. Turn up the light, please. I'm trying to sleep.
No, get ready so we could go.
Where are we going? Can you turn up the light, dude?
Oh shit, you wearing the boxers I gave you?
Oh, yeah. Dude, you got my ear, bro. It's like, dude. We'll just hang out later, yeah? How's that funny, dude? That's messed up. You're mean.
1 hour later.
So Daddy's in the shower, and we're gonna try this again with our little air horn.
Enough! Yeah, really, bro? Dude!
No mames, you fell?
I can't even see, bro. Hold on. That's messed up, dude. Let me shower. Come on. Oh, dude. Diana!
Okay guys, so this is the last time I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try it one more time for the last time finally. He said he was gonna go to his friend's house, so I came running to his car. I'm in the back seat, and when he starts driving, I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, no, I'm actually just, well, I'm just gonna go over to your house and stuff, and then I'm gonna meet up. Well, at least that's what Marty had told me, that he wanted to meet up over there. But I'm not 100% sure yet. So we'll just wait up, or I mean, I don't know, once I'm over at your house, I don't know if you just want to hit him up and see what he says, maybe. Because, I don't know, you know that dude's up and down and stuff, so. Yeah, I'm already on my way, dude. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, I'll see you right now in a bit. Alright. Dude. Diana, really, dude? Really, Diana?
The last time, Danny, I already finished it.
Dude, I freaking stalled my car, dude. Diana, really? Dude, you freaking play too much, bro. What the are you doing in the car anyways? I thought you were taking a shower. No, I thought you were taking a shower.
No.
I swear I'm gonna end up being deaf, bro. I can't hear now. It's from the other ear now, bro. You're lucky the car didn't jiggle, bro. You're lucky, dude. Look, oh my god, dude. You put the fuck out, dude. Go home. Dude, how's that funny, bro?
Last time already.
What you mean? God, you play too much, bro.
Alright guys, well that's gonna be the end of the video. I got Danny. Anything you gotta say?
Me?
Mhm.
Then I have to go to the doctor, dude. My freaking ears hurt, bro. She plays too much, honestly. It really sucks because it's like when you least expect it, she's there, and it's like I really thought you were showering. That's what you told me, dude. And that's really messed up. Like I can't get away with that, like you having to blow that stupid horn.
Well, I finished it, so you don't gotta worry no more.
You're annoying, dude. Watch.
Okay.
Watch. Stop complaining when I freaking get you back or something.
Okay, well that's the end of this video. Peace.
Alright guys, peace out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for, I guess, dealing with this girl.
Oh shit.
Dude, I thought that was the last time, bro. You're annoying.
It was. There's like liquid thing
Ándale, ándale. I hope que te queme, vas a ver. Peace out, guys. Peace out. Alright, peace. Bro. Peace out, guys.